Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to see an example for leftmost derivation, rightmost derivation and parse tree. So we need to construct leftmost derivation, rightmost derivation and parse tree for this input string for the grammar given CFG. So first try to construct leftmost derivation. So we have to derive the string from this grammar. So the start symbol of the grammar is yes. S derives in leftmost derivation. So S has two productions. Here we need this string. We have to derive this string. So we cannot use BA for expanding S, deriving S, because the string should not start with B. So we need to use AB. So S derives AB in one step. Then in the second step, the leftmost variable in this string is B. So B can be replaced by three productions. We can use any one of these three productions. The next symbol we have derived A. The next symbol is A. So definitely these two productions cannot be substituted here. So B must be replaced by ABB. So ABB. This A, there is no change in this A. This B should be replaced by ABB. So in leftmost derivation, we need to replace leftmost variable by one of its productions. So in the next step, this B must be replaced by any one of the productions. So the third symbol is B. We need B. So we can use this production. So B tends to B. So B can be replaced by B. Now the leftmost non-terminal or leftmost variable is B. Fourth symbol is B. So we cannot use this, and we may not apply B also, because if you substitute B here, then we cannot derive the rest of the input symbols in the input string. Okay, so we have to use BS. So B must be replaced by BS. Then AABB. So next we need A. So S is the leftmost variable. So S must be replaced by AB. Next the leftmost variable is B, and we need B here. So B must be replaced by BS. AABB. BS. Again we need B. So this S must be replaced by BA. BA. And now we need A in the A as the last symbol. So this variable A is the leftmost variable. So this must be replaced by A. BB. A. So we have derived this string from the start symbol of the grammar using leftmost derivation. Now we will construct the rightmost derivation. So we need to start with the start symbol of the grammar. So yes in rightmost derivation. Here the rightmost variable is yes. So it can be replaced by any one of the production body. Again we need A. So we have to replace S derives AB. Then the rightmost non-terminal symbol is B. B. So here B can be replaced by any one of the productions. So we may take this ABB. So B is derived as ABB. Now in this step the rightmost non-terminal symbol is B. So we need to write the remaining symbols as it is, and B can be replaced by BS. If you can't derive the string properly for by applying the wrong production, we can do it again with we have to backtrack it and do it again. So in the rightmost derivation, we cannot predict the exact production at each step, but if the string is correct string, definitely we can construct the rightmost derivation also for the same string. So AAB, in the step the rightmost symbol is yes. So S must be replaced by any one of the production body. Here see, we have got AA and one non-terminal symbol is there. Again we have got one B. So we need to try to retrieve another this BA here. So S must be replaced by BA, right? BA, and this A is a rightmost variable. This A can be replaced by A, the first production. So A, B, 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 A. Now we have got first two symbols and the last BBA. So now we need to retrieve BBA from this B. So the rightmost variable is B and B must be replaced by BS. Then in the next step, the rightmost variable is S. S must be replaced by BA. And now we need A. So A should be replaced by small letter A. So we have derived AA, BBA, BBA from S using rightmost derivation. Next we need to construct a parse tree. So to construct the parse tree, we can either follow the leftmost or rightmost derivation, or simply you can derive the string from the grammar directly. So S is the root of the parse tree. We can use either this or this, but we need this input string. So the suitable one is AB. I'm going to consider the leftmost derivation. So S has two children, AB, and B. In the next step, B is derived as ABB. So I'm going to substitute this. Then this B is replaced by B. Then in the next step, this B is replaced by BS. Then S is replaced by AB. Then this B is replaced by BS. Then this S is replaced by BA. Then the final step, A is replaced by A. So if you concatenate this from the left end, if you see this, you can see double A, BBA, BBA. Okay, AA, BBA, BBA. So if you concatenate the symbols on the leaves, we can get this string. Okay, so this is the corresponding parse tree for getting this string from the given CFG. Thank you.